Hey y'all, Brian Thacker, Natural Self Yoga. Today I'm going to go over a pose tutorial, Bird of Paradise and Bound Half Moon, as well as the transition between the two. It's a lot of fun. It's a very challenging. Bound Half Moon is one of the more challenging postures. I'm still not real solid with it or comfortable with it, so maybe we can work on it together. But it's a great balance and a great stretch to focus on the inside. I've done the Ashtanga Primary Series this morning. I taught that class. And then I did my Sudarshan Kriya, my breathing and meditation. And now I'm posting this video so that you know that I'm still doing yoga. I'm a yoga for life. I enjoy it. I have a good time practicing and teaching. So this will be a fun transition that you can do in most Power Flow classes. You will get to this particular place in a lot of classes. And if you want to play, please do, but don't be disruptive. Okay, don't fall out of poses, don't make a lot of noise if you're doing it. Be respectful of the teacher, but if your practice, or if you're working on it in your practice, it's a lot of fun to do. And it's also beneficial for your hips and your shoulders. But we'll start off here. You may be familiar with this pose, Warrior Two. And generally speaking, if you come into extended side angle, you're gonna reach here. Now, from here, this is when you can start to play with this transition. You can bring this hand back behind you for a half bind, or bring this arm underneath your knee for a full bind. And then when you're here, you don't want to lean forward like this. You want to open your shoulder, reach the crown of your head forward, and then come this way. So you can also, if you don't have the shoulders yet, the shoulder flexibility yet, you can use a strap, bring the strap back, and come here. And another tip, if you bring the elbow underneath the knee, instead of underneath the thigh, it's going to be a lot easier for you to clasp. Once again, not here, but here. From here, once you have this bind, okay, you want to work towards straightening the leg. This is bound triangle. And again, typically, people will fold forward like this. This is not the stretch you want. You want to open your chest, crown of the head forward. Here comes the transition, bound half moon. Looking down will help your balance. Press the arm into the leg and the leg into the arm. Breathe steady, keep your core active. Transfer the weight forward. Steady breath, and then step forward, Bird of Paradise. Back down, arm into the leg, leg into the arm, lift the leg, bound half moon. And then release. Whew. As you can see, practice on your own before you do it in a flow class. Again, I wouldn't feel comfortable doing this in a flow class. There are a lot of people that this pose is easy. And so practice that pose. It's a very advanced pose, but if you keep the awareness in your body, you work on the flexibility and the strength in your legs, keep your mind focused, keep your breath steady, you're gonna have a really good time playing with that transition, and show your friends, show your teacher, she or he might be interested in that too. Anyway, play with it, have fun with it. Yoga's a lifetime practice. There is no championship, there is no season. Just do a little bit every day. Notice how your body changes in time. If you do yoga, your body will change. If you don't do yoga, your body will change. When you do yoga, you can understand and be aware of the changes that are happening. Anyway, that's a lot of fun. You saw me mess up a little bit. Yoga teachers aren't perfect, and that's how yoga teachers get better, is by trying and failing and trying and failing. Please try, please play, have a good time, don't judge yourself, and I hope you enjoy this. I hope this helps you to understand arm into the knee, knee into the arm, look down, calm, steady breath, keep your core active, and just play with your balance. Notice where your weight's in your foot as you balance. Anyway, have a good time. Hopefully I'll see you on a mat somewhere near you soon. Until then, namaste, have a great day.